Alright guys, we're outside in the backyard garden here, taking a look at everything outside. We've got our lunchbox, homegrown genetics, looking good. Very nice looking plant. These have all been getting crunk nutrients and recharge for the microbes. This one is an unknown, and so is that one. This one could be another lunchbox. I can't say for sure, but either way, a little more bushy. Probably need to come out here and clean it up a little soon. Then down here we have a little industrial parfait auto from Seed and Soil. Not really going too fast. I mean, it's not a lot of sun back here, so not terribly surprising. I mean, I didn't realize how little sunlight they were actually going to get, but regardless, they seem to be alive at least. Not thriving, but yeah, I wish I had planted this maybe a little more the other direction there. You can't really see, but towards the bottom of the screen there is where I should have planted it, get just a little more light. But, that's the problem with trying to remain stealth, too. I mean, I don't want all the neighbors picking up on this stuff, so it's about as good as I can do without being obvious. And then I still gotta get this one in the ground. I don't know, it's been kind of nice keeping it in the pot so I can kind of move it around to get more sunlight as needed, Also, it's been really rainy, so this one's the only one that hasn't been, pretty much had its roots saturated for, 3 days in a row now. I think that's another reason this guy hasn't really been going too fast. It started with really high heat, and then a few rainy days. It's overall, the past week has been terrible for new growth in any plant, really. So we'll keep an eye on it. Alright, I think that's all I can really show you for now. Thanks for checking it out. Subscribe if you haven't already, and hope to see you in the next video. Thanks.